Hi guys, so happy new year. This is gonna be my first makeup tutorial for 2019. So I was going for sort of a like everyday makeup look or something, just a slight smoky eye, but I don't know. We'll see what we come up with, but I know it's gonna be for an everyday look. So I'm gonna be using my favorite palette of all time. This is the Royal Affair BH Cosmetics palette. It looks just like this. It has the prettiest colors in it. And I just want to show you guys the looks that I come up with. And I'm going to come up with an everyday look so you guys can wear every single day. I already did my foundation, contouring, all of that stuff because you guys see it all the time. I do makeup tutorials. But I will say I use my all-time favorite foundation. And that is the Maybelline Fit Me. It is in Toffee Caramel. And I love it, love it, love it. And let's get into this look. So already I went ahead and used the shades Emperor, Impress, and Majesty and Prince, which is my favorite eyeshadow, by the way. I mixed them all together and I just came up with this blending. So this is just gonna be a basic step-by-step tutorial for beginners who do not know how to blend well. There are no rules to makeup, but if you want your eyeshadows to come out looking slate like this, you're gonna have to kind of come out of your comfort zone and just blend. So I'm gonna go in with Majesty and Prince again, which are these two colors here. This is Prince, and then at the top we have Majesty, and you just want to tap off the excess and we're going to blend. So you just want to blend on the end, and then you're going to come over this way towards your left and just blend. And we are just gonna just blend and blend. We're gonna use the same colors, Prince and Majesty. Tap off the excess, and we're just going to blend in our outer corners, and then we're just gonna go in towards the inner corner of the eyes because we want to make it look slight smoky but appropriate at the same time, if that makes sense. And the key is to just blend, blend, blend. Take your time, ladies, blending. And we're going to blend. And this is how your eyeshadow comes out to look. Just like that. Okay. Okay. So, next, if you want to go with a pop of color, I'm going to be using the eyeshadow called Duchess, which is this one right here. I think it's just the ultimate prettiest color with using these products. But before you go in with the major color, you also want to take your blending brush. This is from the It's My Ray Ray collection. It's in the number 5. And I use this particular one to just blend out all of the harsh lines. So we're just going to blend it out just slowly. I don't want too much of the eyeshadow spread all over my eyes, so I just kind of do like that. And you just want to just blend out those harsh lines. Okay, and this is the end result. Okay, then we're gonna go in with Duchess, and the eyeshadow, the brush I'm gonna be using is the from BH Cosmetics. This is the number 8 from the It's My Ray Ray palette brush set. And I'm going to be using the color Duchess in this Royal Affair palette. And I'm just going to pack this color on my lid like so. And I like this eyeshadow color because it just really just blends. It looks black, but it's really like a dark, dark, dark brown. And it's very matte. Don't mind the background, y'all. That's my TV. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other eye. So this is the end results of the blending. So we're gonna take a little bit more of that Duchess color to kind of make the look a little bit more dramatic, but less dramatic, if that makes sense. And we're going to just blend. I like to take it and then this is the eyeshadow Duchess. It's my favorite, and it is a matte eyeshadow. And then just want to blend. I blend a little because I don't want too of a dramatic or smoky eye, but yeah. Okay, so yeah. So then we're gonna take this pencil brush, which is one of my favorites from the It's My Ray Brush Palette collection, makeup brush collection. We're gonna take Duchess and we're gonna put it at the very bottom of our eyelid. But before I do any of that, I would like to use my brown highlighter from LA Colors, and the name of it is Dark. It's a dark brown liner, and so I'm just gonna take it and do this. Okay, so now that we got that liner out of the way, we're gonna take the Duchess and we're gonna take it. I want you guys to see it. We're gonna take it, which is this color here. Take it and tap off the excess and then just smoke it out underneath the eyelid. And then for like a pop of color, I'm going to use my Regal, which is my favorite eyeshadow in this palette, and just kind of like use that a little bit underneath the eyelid as well. It's a burgundy. It's a burgundy eyeshadow. Now, to pop off, like, I like to place inner corner highlights. So I didn't even do my highlighter at all on my cheeks or anything yet. I'm just trying to wait till everything sets. So for my highlight, I'm going to be using, it's from my favorite contour palette, which is by Milani. No, it's not by Milani. I'm sorry. It's by Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. They have a cream palette coming out. I will be reviewing that for you guys soon. But this is the powder version, and they have a nice little highlighter here, and it's just a regular highlight. Doesn't have a particular name. Ooh, I kind of like that highlight. And that's pretty much it. So then I'm going to use, by NYX, I'm going to be doing my winged liner. And this is the NYX matte wing liner. And actually, this was recommended by Aaliyah J. She had a IG on her. She had like on her Instagram story, and she actually recommended it, and I bought it. I'm still kind of on the fence about it because I be trying to get the perfect wing liner. You guys know the struggle to get a perfect wing liner. It's just not cute. So I'm going to do my wing liner, and I'm going to come back and do my lashes. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So I did my my lip liner, and this is from LA Colors Brow Pencil, and I can use this as a lip liner too. And this is by my favorite company, Milani Cosmetics. You guys have been through my entire channel, and you guys know that my favorite cosmetic lipstick company, makeup palette company, is Milani. I think they make the best lipsticks in my opinion. They are so matte and they're not over drying. So my favorite one by them is called Matte Naked, and it looks like this. And it's very, like, you can tell it's naked, like, see that color. So I'm gonna hide this. So last but not least, we're going to be using my favorite mascara that I bought when I first started getting into makeup. Well, actually, this is my second one, and it's by Maybelline, and it's called the Falsies Mascara. I absolutely am obsessed with this mascara. I think this is perfect for beginners. I think it's perfect for everyday look. I think it's perfect for just wearing alone, because this actually does separate your lashes. So if you're the kind of person that you don't have as many natural lashes and you feel like you have to always just use false lashes, you don't have to. This is the perfect mascara by Maybelline, and they are my second favorite makeup company, and I think they did an awesome job with the Falsies Volume Express, and it does separate your lashes. It does not clump, and it is the bomb. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's great. I wore it to work, and it lasted me pretty much all day. No clumpings, no smudges. It's the bomb. So it's perfect. So I'm going to apply this, and I need a mirror, and it comes just like this. And I freaking need a freaking mirror right now. That's why I have this. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's like a mini tutorial, you know, kind of just showing the beginners, you know, how to do a particular smoky eye. Excuse me. So what I did was I added a little inner eye highlight. If you guys can see, oh, that highlight looks so bomb. And I used my favorite palette. You guys know my favorite palette is the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette. If you do not have this palette, you need to get it. It is the bomb. You're gonna love it. It is, you know, perfect for everyday looks, perfect for day, night, evening looks. It is perfect. Like if you're going for something that is so toned down, I recommend this palette because it is every day. I mean, the colors are so freaking bomb. My favorite inner eye highlight is the crown, which is what I have in my inner corners. I think it's just so beautiful to just top off with an everyday look. But I would say this is just sort of a smoky eye look, you know, for the everyday girl. If you're going to be, you know,